What's up, guys? My name is Preston from Autonetics, and I finally have done it. I finally did it. I purchased a dash cam. I've been saying for the longest that I was gonna get a dash cam because I needed to record those moments when I'm in my race car and I have things happen that I just can't say, I can't express enough through my own words that video can only convey. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's had those moments. You're like, man, I wish I had a camera for that moment. Well, I finally have one. And this dash cam is from FitDVR. This dash cam is 4K. It has Wi-Fi capabilities. It includes a storage card. And to top all that off, it has an application support. So meaning that you have an application for this dash cam. Let's open this thing up. Let's open this box up and see what's inside of it because I'm excited to get this thing installed. It has been a long time coming. My content is about to level up on so many different areas because I've been meaning to get this, start posting in-car camera videos because I have crazy things happen. Like today, I had a 911 trying to race me in my truck. It's wild. I can't make this stuff up. But guys, let's get this unboxed so we can take a look at this dash cam and see what's inside. I'm so excited. I'm like everywhere right now. Let's get this thing unboxed. Ooh. Finally have came. Boom. So here you go. It says FitDVR right here. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus on it. There you go. FitDVR is here. But this is the actual camera. This is the front and that's the back. So it watches the interior and the exterior. And so again, you purchase this with the ability to be used with your particular vehicle. So as I continue to unbox this thing, let's see what we got here. All right, so let's open this up and see what's inside, guys. It's really hard to do this with one hand, so bear with me as we get this thing open. And here are the components to our install for today. So we have a pick here in case I need to get into my rearview mirror to connect to a power supply, which I won't need to do. Then we also have the power supply that's going to run to the camera itself. Then we have our micro SD USB drive, and this is going to be for your data extraction is what I'm assuming, and adhesive for the window. All right, so I got my camera. I have my front camera. This is going to go by the rearview mirror. This is the camera that's going to go into the rear of the vehicle to watch out my back window. This is the power supply for my front camera, and this is probably the power supply for my rear camera that's going to connect to my front camera. So this is everything that you get for the vehicle within the F3 from FitDVR. Let's go out here and get this installation started now. The adhesive is still on there because it's going to go on the Acura. This is my temporary fix until we get it cooled down. I'm going to buy another one of these cameras. I'm just letting you guys know that ahead of time. I'm definitely going to buy another one because I love what it does so far. But I can't wait to show you guys why I'm going to buy this. 4K on the front, 1080p on the rear camera for the inside. And then also the camera that mounts in the back is also 1080p. So you 1080p rear, 1080p on the inside, and then you got a 4K camera on the front. This thing has buttons on the bottom of it, and the buttons on the bottom interact with the buttons that's on the bottom of the screen. So let me see if I can re-explain that. So you see the M up arrow, the power button. Yeah, that controls the buttons on the bottom of the screen there. So if I press and hold this power button, it will turn the device completely off. But with that said, I'm gonna put this here for a second and show you how the app works. Okay, so with the app, you can see that there are quite a few functionalities that you can do. You can mute the microphone so there is no volume to what's being recorded, so that way you won't hear anything that's being recorded from there. I turn my microphone back on because I want to hear what's being recorded. Or I can change my view, my camera. This turns my secondary camera off, the view on the inside, so if I don't want to see it, I don't have to. It's showing the inside of my vehicle there, just the inside camera, and then you see picture in picture as well right there. You can tap on this little icon there in the corner and it'll blow it up, make it widescreen for you, and this is all in real time. You can take pictures and you can pull the recordings out. You can set it to automatically record. It's going to show you current altitude, your speed, your total altitude, and your accelerated speed also in G's. It's GPS connected. The GPS connector is up here in the top. And it's not GPS connected, but they say it will GPS connect within 10 to 15 minutes of driving around. You can do a lot with this app. You can set up driver collision sensors. You can change the video resolution also from the app as well. And there's a lot to do in here. So this app is really cool. It's Wi-Fi enabled. So right now I'm Wi-Fi connected to my device so I can live stream. So that is one of the pluses of having this app as well. But I want to see how this thing's work, how this camera work. So let's take a drive and see how our footage look and how still our frame is when we drive. So let's take a little drive around and see if we can get some footage from this thing to see what it looks like. I'm excited, man. I've been wanting a camera for a very long time. And again, this is the camera I got, the FitDVR F3. So there will be discount codes also within the description. So you don't have to pay full price. So I would suggest you guys click that discount code if you want a dash cam, because you need one in the world that we live in today, where we have people slamming on brakes in front of you and you're getting cut off in traffic for no reason whatsoever. Just people cutting you off because they want to get in front of you. You need a dash cam because it's getting more and more important to prove that you're not at fault, because what they're doing now, what I've seen a lot of, is just saying both of you guys are at fault because they can't prove it. And so instead of having to fight the insurance company, wait for months and months for things to happen, with video proof, you cannot beat video proof. It is very important to have a dash cam in any car, not just for us content creators, but for any car you buy. So until the temperature cools down, I'm going to have this dash cam going 24/7 in my truck. And keep an eye on my YouTube channel, because you will see random footage of me driving and random moments from things that I see all the time that I've never been able to capture that I can now. And again, you absolutely want a dash cam. The link to the discount code is in the description for the dash cam. You absolutely need one. This will save you so much money in the long run from having insurance claims and from fighting lengthy battles with the insurance company. And if you've been there before, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And you may already have a dash cam, or this may be the video that you needed to hear that made you go jump and buy a dash cam. So let's take a drive and let's see what kind of video we get from this dash cam from FitDVR. All right, guys, so here's my thoughts. This camera, after the footage that you've just seen, even the footage that's still going now, I can't help but to recommend this camera 10 out of 10 times. The functionality of it, the use of it, the look of it, the camera just looks so good. The display screen looks so good on it. I've installed cameras for other people where the display screen was really grainy. The display screen on this camera looks absolutely amazing. 4K on the outside, 1080p on the inside, 1080p on the rear. I'm gonna get the rear camera installed. I haven't done that yet, but to test the camera out to see if I liked it and to want to continue using it, yes, I absolutely am going to continue using that. I'm absolutely going to buy a second one. I cannot recommend this any more than I have now. This is an absolute great dash cam. Again, discount code in the description. Click on that link. It'll take you to the site to purchase your camera. You want to purchase the camera. You want to get this camera. But on top of that, you want to get the discount to go along with that camera. So guys, my name is Preston from Autonetics. And this is my dash cam that you will start seeing videos from that I just installed. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, your boy is out. Peace.